Overlanding is more than just a road trip. It's about venturing off the beaten path and immersing yourself in nature. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sunrises far from civilization. Picture yourself navigating rugged terrains and discovering hidden gems. This is the allure of overlanding, a blend of adventure, self-sufficiency, and a deep connection with the outdoors. It's not about having the most expensive or sophisticated rig, it's about the journey and the experiences you gather along the way. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a curious beginner, overlanding offers a unique way to explore the world around you. Overlanding has witnessed a surge in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It offers an escape from the mundane, a chance to reconnect with nature, and a sense of accomplishment that comes from self-reliance. It's about pushing your boundaries, testing your limits, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're yearning for adventure, seeking solace in nature, or simply looking for a unique way to travel, overlanding might be your perfect match. Let's delve into the essential steps to build your ultimate overlanding rig and embark on an unforgettable journey. Choosing the right vehicle is paramount to a successful overlanding experience. Your vehicle will be your home away from home, your trusted companion through challenging terrains. Think of it as your overlanding partner. The right vehicle will depend on your individual needs and travel aspirations. Factors like budget, intended destinations, and the number of passengers will influence your decision. Are you planning solo expeditions or family adventures? Will you be conquering rocky mountains or exploring desert landscapes? For beginners, a reliable and readily available SUV or truck is often a practical choice. Look for vehicles with good ground clearance, four-wheel drive, and a reputation for durability. Popular options include the Toyota Tacoma, Jeep Wrangler, and Ford Ranger. Remember, your vehicle is the foundation of your overlanding setup. Choose wisely, and it will reward you with countless miles of adventure. Once you've chosen your overlanding companion, it's time to equip it for the journey ahead. Think of this as gearing up your partner for success. Essential modifications in gear will enhance its capabilities and ensure your safety and comfort on the road. Start with the foundation, suspension, and tires. Upgrading your suspension will provide the necessary ground clearance and load-carrying capacity for off-road travel. Opt for tires with aggressive tread patterns designed to handle various terrains, from mud and sand to rocks and gravel. Storage is crucial for overlanding. Invest in a roof rack, cargo boxes, or a bed rack to maximize your carrying capacity. Organize your gear efficiently, keeping essential items easily accessible. A well-organized storage system will make your life on the road much easier. Additional gear to consider includes a recovery kit, winch, tow straps, recovery boards, a portable air compressor, a dual battery system, and a navigation system. Remember, safety and self-sufficiency are paramount in overlanding. Section 4. Mastering the Basics. Tips for Overlanding Newbies. Embarking on your first overlanding adventure can be both exciting and daunting. But fear not, with a few basic tips, you'll be well prepared to navigate the challenges and embrace the joys of the open road. Start by planning shorter, less demanding trips closer to home. This will allow you to test your gear, familiarize yourself with your vehicle's capabilities, and gain valuable experience before tackling more challenging expeditions. Learn basic off-road driving techniques such as navigating steep inclines and descents, crossing water obstacles, driving on sand. Practice in a controlled environment before venturing out into the wilderness. Pack for self-sufficiency, bringing enough food, water, and fuel for your journey. Familiarize yourself with basic vehicle maintenance and repair, such as changing a tire, jump-starting a battery. Knowledge is power when you're miles from civilization. Section 5. Navigating the terrain. Planning and preparation. Successful overlanding relies heavily on meticulous planning and preparation. Before setting off on your adventure, invest time in researching your route, obtaining necessary permits, and understanding the weather conditions you might encounter. Utilize online resources, maps, and guidebooks to identify scenic routes, points of interest, and potential campsites. Check for road closures, restrictions, or permits required for certain areas. Weather can change rapidly in remote locations, so pack accordingly and be prepared for unexpected conditions. Inform someone about your itinerary and expected return date. This is crucial for safety, especially when venturing into remote areas. Pack a first aid kit and essential medications. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid procedures. Planning and preparation might seem tedious, but they are essential for a safe and enjoyable overlanding experience. Remember, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. Embracing the adventure, your overlanding journey begins. The open road beckons and your overlanding rig is ready. Embrace the adventure that awaits. Overlanding is a journey of self-discovery and creating lasting memories. Things might not always go according to plan, and that's okay. Flexibility and adaptability are key. Leave no trace. Respect the environment and minimize your impact. Pack out everything you pack in. Overlanding is a community. Connect with fellow adventurers and share tips. Your overlanding journey starts now.